What inspires change? What motivates us? It's what's inside that moves us. What moves you? Get the Scion story at Scion.com.
Senator Tina Muñoz Barnes has sent a letter to Governor Eddie Calvo explaining that she could not vote for his budget bill because, among other things, it didn't fully fund COLA to retirees. Senator Barnes says that COLA is a benefit that retirees have earned. GovGuam COLA was originally set at $1,800 annually for retirees. However, several years ago, it was temporarily reduced down to $1,100 because of the government's financial condition. Senator Barnes says that retirees have been reaching out to her on a daily basis, urging her to push for the full restoration of their COLA benefits.
They were sharing with me that they lived paycheck to paycheck, and for many years, they understood what needed to be done. And as far as helping the government out when we're in financial constraints, but when they feel that you're giving to everybody, then they should be included.
Senator Barnes is also concerned that mayors don't have enough resources for personnel administration in the governor's budget. And she says it also took away over $200,000 for the Guam Visitors Bureau.
You and I know that tourism is the #1 economic driver for our community, and 60% of our workforce comes from tourism. And I think that's important that we give GVB all the resources that it needs so that they could fulfill and continue their mission.
The governor's deputy press secretary, Philip Leon Guerrero.
We're always happy to compromise whenever we can, and as we've seen in the past, Senator Barnes has really been one of the big allies of the governor when it comes to big initiatives. She was one of the first Democrats that reached across the aisle when it came to the tax refund bond.
Leon Guerrero says that they respect Senator Barnes' concerns with the budget, and he says that Governor Calvo has directed his fiscal team to look into her concerns.
We are always going to move forward in the spirit of compromise with this.
Leon Guerrero says that the administration wants to put more money into education, more money into public health, and they want to phase in hay raises.
And the only way to do that is with the budget passed. And so we're thankful that Senator Barnes is also feeling the spirit of compromise and is willing to reach out. And, we're going to continue to work with her and work with other senators to make sure that we actually have a budget that can pass, a budget that's fiscally responsible, and a budget, that takes care of all the priorities that the people of Guam want to see funded.